Good morning, students. You are most welcome to the language class. Today we are starting chapter 14, Subject Verb Agreement. At first, we will read the sentences given below and underline the subject and circle the verbs in each sentences. Our cricket team has left the country. Our cricket team is the subject here. Has left the country, has is the verb. Okay. Dharini leads the team as the captain. Dharini is the subject and leads is the verb. They are in South Africa now. They subject are verb. The players do a lot of practice. The players subject do verb. They are playing matches every day. They subject are verb. The managers stays with the team. The manager subject stays verb. Now we will learn something new about the subject and the verb in the sentence. There happens to be an agreement between a subject and its verb in a sentence when the verb is in be form or has have form. So when we will use the be form or has have form, we have to see there must be a agreement between the subject and the verb. Now when the subject and verb agree to match in number, we call it subject verb agreement. If the subject is in singular, the verb will be in singular. If the subject's in plural, the verb will be in plural. The table below shows how the agreement works. I am 8 years old. Am will go with I. My brother is in singular, so is also in singular. Helping verbs is also in singular. My brother is 10 years old. She was going to school. She is singular. Was is also in singular form. I have a sister. He or she has. He or she has. Has is the singular form of have verb. Sita Joseph has. Sita or Joseph, because there is an oblique, that means any one will be there, has not come today. Next, plural. My friends are all 8 years old. My friends is in plural. Are is the plural form of verb, be verb. We are in the same class. We, plural, are is also the plural form of be verb. We were playing in the park. We is in plural form. Were is also the plural form of be verb in past tense. They or we, any one will be there. They have a holiday tomorrow or we have a holiday tomorrow. Okay. So we use have with they and we. Okay. This is the plural form of have verb. Now read some more examples of subject verb agreement. The baby was hungry. She had milk for breakfast. She has khichdi for lunch. So here was, the baby is in singular. Was is the singular form of be verb past tense. Was is the singular form of be verb past tense. Had is the singular and plural, both we can use. She had is the past form of have verb. She has is the present form of present singular form of the have verb. I am Jalal. I have many friends. One friend has a new bicycle. Next, were you riding your bicycle in the morning? Where? No, I was. Okay, was is in singular form. What were you doing? Whenever we will use you, we will use the plural form of verb. Next, I dash from Odisha. The answer will be I am from Odisha. But Paul and Sridhara are two person. So are from Karnataka. Odisha and Karnataka are two states in India. You have to put this in the proper way. Okay? I think you will do this. And this is your homework. This one you will do in your book. Next, example, verb plus s. Verb plus s. He studies geography every day. The boy plays. He studies, the boy plays. Okay? The addition of s after the verb occurs under two conditions. Here, s is added with the verbs. When the subject is singular, except I or you, he, she, animal, tree, friend, sky, we will add s with the verb. When the verb is in the present tense, eat, sleep, dance, read. Okay. So we will add s or es with the verbs when the subject is singular except I or you, and when the verb is in the present tense. Okay? When the verb will be in the present tense, we will add s or es with the verb. Es is a rare one. Okay? Next. So first person means who is talking. Now I am talking, I am the first person. We are learning because along with me you also are learning now. So it will be drink. We also, it will be drink, eat, go. Okay. Second person you. We will not add s with these two things. I, we, you. We will not add s or es with the verbs. Okay. Next, third person. He, she, it, friend, cow. Now we will add s or es with the verb and write it goes, eats, drinks, stands. That means he goes, she eats, friend drinks. Okay. And the third person they go, not they goes. First person means I am talking. When you will talk, you will be the first person. When I am talking, I will be the first person. The person who is listening, that means you are listening, so you are the second person. When you will say I will listen, then I will be the second person. And when we will talk about someone else who is not present here, that is called third person. Dogs dash, dogs bark when they are hungry, but my dog barks at strangers. You will complete this one. I will not help anymore. 1 and 2 I have done. Next, we have to remember one more thing about the agreement between the subject and the verb. Sometimes an expression comes between the subject and the verb. Do not get confused by such words or expressions as they do not affect agreement. The dog who plays with the other pets is mine. The colors of the rainbow are beautiful. See, the colors of the rainbow are beautiful. Rainbow is in singular, but we are talking about the colors. So we have used here are. The day who plays with the other pets, the dog, sorry, the day I have, the dog who plays with the other pets. Here plays is used for the dog, not this line. Extra expression, we are not using the verb. For subject we are using the verb. For subject we are using the verb, but for extra expression we will not change the form of the verbs. Okay, or the agreement of the verbs. In the first sentence, the subject dog and not pets. As the subject is singular, the verb is also singular is. In the second sentence, the subject is colors, not the rainbow. The subject is plural, so the verb is also plural. Okay? Now complete the sentences by using verb to match with their subjects. My brother who travels to many places dash coming home today. So we are talking about my brother. So it will be is. My brother is coming home today. Here who travels to many places is an extra expression. So whenever you will put a, and, or these things, a, am, is, am, the, is, am, are, you have to be careful. Okay. So read the chapter.